You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? On Google Sheets, how to insert a new row in a cell. Super easy, but it took me forever to figure it out. Alright, so as you can see, I got it blown up for you so it's nice and big. And right here we have Rhonda would like a half order on 8/27 and the other half on 8/30. Well, I don't like how it comes out on this side right here, but I need it to go down. So what we're going to do is we're going to click where we want it to end, and I'm going to put on orders. And then I'm going to hit Control Enter and see how it brings it down right here. And then click off of it. Oh, we didn't go quite enough. Let's do it one more time. We'll go on the on. And then we'll hit Control Enters. And then we have all of the wording and everything in the box that we're trying to get it in. So super simple. Once again, a fast and quick video so you can go on your day. If you like it, hit subscribe and the like button. See you next week. Thanks.